Hey there, welcome back, and if you are new, then welcome. I'm really glad you're here because today we're making another easy and cozy dinner together. If you are looking for a high-protein dinner that is easy, budget-friendly, and actually tastes good, this one is going to surprise you. Let's start by cutting the vegetables. Dice half of an onion. Dice half of a large bell pepper. Chop 3 large button mushrooms. Then smash and mince 3 cloves of garlic. Oh, I also put a sweet potato in the oven for 90 minutes at 175 degrees Celsius. I've done this before, so it would be finished when I started cooking, allowing it to cool down a bit before serving. Next, add about 1.5 cups of water to a small pot and bring it to a boil. Once boiling, add half a cup of red lentils, a teaspoon of oil, and a pinch of salt. Turn the heat down and let this simmer for about 15 minutes. The lentils will look soft and slightly creamy when they are done. Then, to the pan, add a tablespoon of oil and let that heat up. Once the oil thins out, add the onion, bell pepper, and mushrooms. Season with salt, pepper, and garlic powder. Let this saute for about 5 minutes, stirring occasionally. Then add your garlic and saute for 2 more minutes. Now add the ground meat. I used about half a pound. Cook this for around 5 minutes or until the meat is fully cooked and no longer pink. Add a splash of soy sauce, about 1 teaspoon, and then add 1 tablespoon of ketchup. This adds a little depth and balance to the flavor. If you enjoy simple high-protein meals like this, make sure to like the video and subscribe because I share easy and affordable recipes every week. When the 15 minutes are up, drain the lentils well and add them to the pan. Stir everything together and cook for about 3 minutes so the flavors combine. Taste the mixture and adjust the seasoning if needed. I added another teaspoon of soy sauce and let it cook for a few more minutes. Now, take your sweet potato out of the oven and cut it in half. Use a fork to gently flatten it, then spoon the lentil and ground meat mixture on top. For extra flavor and protein, I added a fried egg on top. This turned out to be a really flavorful and satisfying dish with about 40 grams of protein and around 600 calories per serving. A simple, high-protein dinner that is easy to make and perfect for any night of the week. I hope you have an amazing day or night wherever you're watching from. Thank you so much for being here with me for another video, and I will see you in the next one real soon.